schemes, increase in allowance. Uniform allowance, a 70% hike in uniform allowance for all police professional personnel. Housing allowance, up 25% increase in housing allowance for constables residing in Rikers. Support for police sports. An additional rupees 10 crore to be allocated in the next financial years for training, diet, and other expenses of athletes participating in national and international sports events. Total budget get these sports related expenses will now amount to rupees 115 crore. Police housing and maintenance. A corpus fund of rupees 1380 crore will be created for the maintenance of multi-story police housing and administrative buildings. Achievements in crime and law enforcement. Mafia crackdown through effective prosecution of 68 cases involving mafia and criminal gangs. 31 mafia members and their 66 associates were sentenced to life imprisonment. Out of these, two have received the death pen- penalty. Illegal properties worth rupees 4057 crore belonging to mafia members have been confiscated confiscated over the year. Anti-Romeo Squad operations. The Anti-Romeo Squad inspected over 1 crore places between March 22, 2017 and October 2, 2021. Actions were taken against more than 3.68 crore individuals. Tribute to police martyrs. Floral tributes. CM Yogi paid flowers tribute at the police martyrs memorial to honor the police personnel who sacrificed their lives in the line of duty. Financial assistance of martyrs families. Financial aid of Rs 36.2 crores was provided to the dependents of 115 policemen and central paramilitary forces who died in the line of duties. Additional welfare provision. District level comfort and welfare. Rupees 3.5 crore allocated for the comfort of police personnel posted in various districts. Rupees 4 crore of general welfare of the police forces. Rupees 30.56 lakh allocated for settling to six scams related to medical reimbursement for serving and retired policemen and their dependents. Recognition of services. Since 2017, the President of India has awarded police medals for distinguished services and 110 police medals for commendable services to police officials and employees. Requirement and promotions in the police forces. Requirement drives. Over 1.54 lakh requirements were made in the UP Police Department after 2017, including more than 22,000 women personnel. The requirement process is ongoing for the 60,000 post promotions. More than 1.41 lakh personnel have been promoted to various gazetted posts. Safety measures and realization harmony. Control on loudspeaker. As part of a statewide champions, over 1,08,037 loudspeakers were removed from religious places or their sound was controlled as per Supreme Court guidelines. Bravery and sacrificing. In the last 7 years, 17 police jawans were martyred and one 1,618 policemen were injured while maintaining peace and law in the state. Statements by officials, Director General of Police DGP presented Prashant Kumar. Prashant Kumar emphasized that the announcement made by CM Yogi on Police Smriti Divas will significantly boost the morale of law enforcement officers, highlighted the increase in uniform, the barrack allowance, and the enhanced supports found to support police efforts. Mentioned mentioned the direct requirement of Olympic athletes to the post of duty superintendent of police DGSP, reflecting the government's appreciations for sports talent in the forces. The corpus found will ensure maintenance of multi-story police building equipped with lifts. UP Police Vigilance, the DGP affirmed that UP Police remains alert in response to incidents like the Rohini blast in Delhi, underscoring the importance of rigidity, readiness in law enforcement. National Police Commemoration Day. Key facts and significance: date of observance. National Police National Police Commemorations Day is observed every year on October 21st in India. Purpose of the day: to pay homage to all police personnel who have sacrificed their lives in the line of duties, especially commemorates the 10 policemen killed by Chinese troops in 1959 during a reconnaissance mission at Hot Spring, Ladakh. Historical context: on October 21, 1959, a group of Indian policemen was ambushed by Chinese troops while on patrol in the Aksai Chain area of Ladakh.